Senator Ifeanyi Ubah, a prominent member of the All Progressives Congress, APC, and representative of Anambra South in the National Assembly, has passed away in London, United Kingdom. He had traveled to London 2 days prior to his death. Senator Ubah, a distinguished Nigerian politician, entrepreneur, and businessman, was the CEO of Capital Oil, CCO, which he founded in 2001. He is survived by his wife, Uchenna, a business administration graduate from Ahmadu Bello University, and their 5 children. In addition to his business endeavors, Senator Ubah established the Ifeanyi Ubah Foundation, dedicated to various philanthropic activities. In September 2022, Ubah narrowly escaped an assassination attempt when gunmen attacked his convoy in Enugu-Ukwu, Anambra State, resulting in the death of at least 5 people, including 2 police officers. Recently, Senator Ubah's campaign council donated N71 million to the APC in Anambra State, significantly strengthening the party's presence and operations in the region. Of this amount, N50 million was contributed personally by Senator Ubah. His death has been confirmed by fellow senators who have begun to express their condolences. The Senate has yet to issue an official statement regarding the incident.